Maybe there's a weight limit on the wheel with the wheel threads. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here in the garage. We are going to apply this metal cast bright blue to the brake calipers. I got this off Amazon. I've never used this before or anything like this, but it has 500 degrees Fahrenheit resistant and resistant to oil and gas. You could use it for valve covers, calipers, wheels, water pumps. It looks like it's pretty good stuff. I have no idea if it's good or not. We're going to find out. But I do like the color. They have different colors. I'll put the link down in the description below. You guys can go there and try it out yourself. Should be pretty easy to apply, just like a regular spray can. I got the calipers ready to go. They're clean. They're masked off. I just did a little bit of masking. I didn't really, there shouldn't be a whole lot of overspray with this thing. If you guys like this, smash that like button. I'd really appreciate it. Leave a comment down below. Hit the subscribe button so I can grow my channel. And let's get to spraying. Alright, so here's take one. It looks pretty good, although it's just one coat. Ooh, it looks pretty good. I'll probably end up putting enough for coverage. It's probably going to be like 2 or 3 coats. Possibly 4. So I don't know, we'll see how it dries and how it sticks to it. I don't know if you ever bought one of these stools from Harbor Freight. I'm 3-wheeling this thing because every wheel has broken on this thing. One of them is still on, technically, but it's basically held on by glue and Loctite. The other 2 I had to replace. They broke almost immediately. I had to get new wheels and new nuts from... New nuts. Look at this thing. There's the only one that's left. This one's completely broken off. The threads are sheared on it. Anyway, maybe there's a weight limit on the wheel with the wheel threads. Anyway, I'm going to put another coat of blue on these. I'm going to let them dry for about 15-20 minutes and then we'll do another coat. I got 4 cans, which is probably really excessive. You could probably do all 4 of these with 1 can. I may return the 3 cans. I gotta say, this turned out better than I expected, and it was super easy to do. Here's a good shot. All it took was about 5 coats, and man, that thing's a pretty blue, guys. Anyway, you could do this. Check onto the link, get your can. You can take your wheel off and just spray your caliper. Appreciate you watching. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.